Welcome to this exam series. Today I want us to discuss a question. This question is based on a topic called inequalities. So, without wasting time, let me read the question out. Solve x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 is less than 0. So when they give you a question like this, how do you start? Of course, the first thing you're going to do is this. You're going to write this word, the word assume. Assume. But some people don't like using the word assume, so they use the word let. It's the same thing anyway. So let me say the word assume. Assume that this expression is equal to 0. The second expression is equal to 0, comma. And the third expression, is equal to 0. So let's solve the first one. So if this one comes out, that means that x is equal to what? Minus 1. If this one comes out, that means x is equal to what? Plus 2. And when this one comes out, x is equal to what? Plus 3. The next thing we're going to do is this. We're going to draw something called number line. Number line, okay? On this number line, these numbers, we're going to arrange them. So minus 1 will be here, 2 will be here, and 3 will be here. I'm sure you know what I'm trying to do. On the number line, negative number will be on the left, 2 will be here, 3 will be here. Do you understand? So here will be for your x. Now next thing we're going to do is that I'm going to draw a tall line here. Can you see what I'm doing? A tall line, yes. Now, why did I draw the tall line? Let me explain. Now, this side means x is less than minus 1. So anything that's less than minus 1 will be here. This side means minus 1 is less than x is less than 2. So any number here is between minus 1 and 2. And this side, 2 is less than x is less than 3. So any number here will be between 2 and 3. And finally, this side, x is what? Greater than 3. I think it's clear now. Can you see it? Okay, that's why I said the line should be tall. You don't need to make your own tall, but for beginners, make this line tall enough so you'll be able to write your intervals out. So the next thing to do is to draw what is called table of variation. Okay, now what's the meaning of table of variation? Let me explain. Now when they say table of variation, this is what I mean actually. So, first of all, you're going to draw a table, but leave space on this side. Okay, so let me do like this. You see the space here. So now write this intervals one by one. So I have x less than minus 1. What's the next interval? Minus 1 less than x less than 2. What's the third interval? 2 less than x less than 3. And what's the last interval? X is greater than what? 3. Then you draw a line, okay? Alright. After doing this, you now write this product. All these things, you write them out. So let me write it out. We have x plus 1. We have x minus 2, and we have x minus 3. And remember, from what is there, I need to multiply the 3 of them. So I'm going to have x plus 1 times what? X minus 2 times what? X minus 3. So I have to multiply the 3 of them. Do you understand? So the answer will be at the bottom here. Do you understand what I'm doing? Okay. Now the next thing is this. We need to pick numbers. I need a number that is less than minus 1. So I can pick a number like minus 30. Do you understand? Okay. Now I need a number that is between minus 1 and 2. I can pick a number like 1. Do you understand? And if you find that difficult, you can do something like this. You can draw a number line like this. Understand? So here put minus 1 and here put 2. So give me a number between minus 1 and 2. Obviously 1 is between them, so 1 should go. Okay? Alright. So now I need a number between 2 and 3. I think we can pick a number like 2.5. And finally, I need a number more than 3. I can pick a number like 5. I think it's clear. So now let's try it one by one. So now let's start with minus 3. So anywhere you see x, put minus 3. So let's do that. Minus 3 plus 1. That will give you a negative answer. Okay. Now minus 3 minus 2. That will give a negative answer. Then minus 3 minus 3. That will give a negative answer. Do you understand that? So now I'm going to multiply these signs because of what is here. If you multiply these signs together, what are you going to get? You're going to get negative sign. Do you understand? Okay. I think this one is clear enough. Now remember, For table of variation, we need the signs, not the numbers, just the signs, okay? That's why I did all of this. Now, guess what? You don't need to do others. I'm serious. Don't do others. If you're very fast, kind of, So what you do is this. Once you get the first sign, just change it. So negative will become positive. Change it again. This one will become negative and change it again. This will become positive. That's all, like very simple. I'm sure you understand what I am doing here. So for you to confirm that what I'm doing is correct, watch. Put 1 here. This one, put it here. 1 plus 1, positive answer. 1 minus 2, negative. 1 minus 3, negative. When I multiply this together, you get positive. Let's try the last one, okay? For you to know that I'm correct. 2.5 Abi. We put 2.5 here. 2.5 plus 1, positive. 2.5 minus 2, positive. And 2.5 minus 3, negative. I multiply this, like I'm correct. So you don't have to start doing everything, just switch it and good to go. Now finally, they said that we should pick the product that is less than 0. And in mathematics, less than means negative sign. So when something is less than 0, there's a negative sign. So I will just look for where there's negative sign here, okay? That means I can pick this answer. I can pick this answer. I can pick this answer. So the answer now will be this interval, which I'm going to write out. So x is less than minus 1, and this interval here, comma, which is what? 2 is less than x is less than 3, and that's all. That's all. So if you have any question, please, you can post it. Thank you and bye.